Hello, my name is Sean, and with me today I have an upright piano, and I'm going to show you how to lift this piano and then place it onto a dolly all by yourself. With that said, I never recommend doing this by yourself. I always recommend hiring a professional. We are professional piano movers, and we've been in business since 1936, and we move about 500 pianos each and every year. So when you think about it, we have a tremendous amount of experience. Now, pianos are extremely heavy, they're cumbersome, and more importantly, they are fragile and delicate instruments. The inner workings of these pianos can get damaged and destroyed if you don't know what you're doing. And most importantly, you can hurt yourself if you don't know what you're doing. So please, always hire a professional. The reason we're making these videos is to educate the public, educate our new prospective employees and our customers as to the importance of hiring a professional piano mover. Now, this is actually one of the videos from our Piano Movers training course, and we've decided to bring it to you. So with that said, if you guys learned something, if you found this informative, please hit that like button because it will help share this video with other people who are interested in piano moving. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about piano moving. What you'll need for this is one mover's pad and one good quality four-wheel dolly. And we're going to take the mover's pad and we're going to place it at the end, one of the ends of the piano. If you need any of the tools that we use, go ahead and take a look in the description below. We have everything listed right there for you. I'm going to put my foot underneath the pad so I can scoot it under as I lift. I'm going to be lifting the end here. My hand is going to go underneath the keys, my front hand, and my rear hand is going to grab the handle at the back of the piano. Now, most uprights do have a handle in the back, and all I'm going to do is lift with my legs and not with my back, with my legs. And I shimmied or pushed the moving pad underneath the piano. Now I have to grab my dolly. Now that we have the dolly in place, I'm going to take my back hand and grab the handle. I'm going to take my front hand again and place it underneath the keys. We're not grabbing the leg because these legs are very fragile and they could break. We don't want to have any bad habits. So underneath the keys, grabbing the handle, placing my shoulder a little bit in towards the piano, and I'm going to lift with my legs, not my back, lifting straight up into the air. Once I got it to a point where I could put my knee on it, or I say knee, but it's really my leg, I'm going to do that. That way I can manipulate the piano however I need to. And we're not putting any pressure on that front leg there that's on the ground, because if we do, it can break. So now I just pushed it up a little bit more. I'm resting it on my hip, and there's really no pressure on me because of where the piano's at. It's not balanced because it's leaning a little bit on me, but we can get it to a point where it can be very balanced and there's almost no pressure on the mover. It would all be on that bottom corner. So we want to be careful and cognizant we're not going to damage anything. That's why that pad is there. Once we're comfortable, we're going to come around, we're going to put that dolly into place, and we're going to start bringing the piano back down. We want to make sure that the dolly is going to be in the middle. So once we're kind of happy about where that's at, we're going to lift it up a little bit with our leg, allow the piano to catch it. Come on down. You guys can see that the piano is centered on the dolly. And if you have to, you could adjust. We really didn't need to, and when you adjust the piano on the dolly, you just put your foot, either like act as a brake by placing it at the wheel. You could put it up like that, and then you kind of slide the piano on the dolly. And there you have it, guys. Piano has been placed onto a dolly all by myself. And like I said before, I don't recommend doing this at all if you don't have help. I really don't recommend anybody doing this at home, but I want to let you guys know it can be done And again, I'm a professional piano mover. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask away in the comment section below. If you guys found this informative, if you learned something, please hit that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more piano moving videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.